Hi, I'm Dr. Ashok Shah from Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. I have a lot of interest in thyroid cancer, and I've been actively involved in the previous two World Congresses on thyroid cancer. They were great success, both held in Toronto. As you probably know, the next World Congress on thyroid cancer will be from 27th of July 2017 to 30th of July. This will be under the leadership of Greg Randolph. Most of you know Greg very well through the academy and his personal interest in thyroid cancer. We're looking forward to a great meeting. I'm sure you will enjoy it. The success of previous two thyroid congresses is well known to all of us. It was primarily due to the participation from a large faculty around the world. And as you will gather, this year it will be the same. We expect participation from more than 50 countries, similar to our previous congresses. And I'm quite confident this will be the most educational thyroid cancer meeting anywhere in the world. We anticipate an attendance of more than 1,000 participants. This will bring the thyroid community together, and we'll have a chance both socially and academically to get together and exchange our ideas and our philosophies of management of thyroid cancer. The steering committee, Greg Randolph and Brian McIver, are working very hard along with the Bailey Group, and I can assure you we will leave no stone unturned in making the best success of this meeting. The meeting has many different programs. The first day will be dedicated mainly to the ultrasound international get-together, and more importantly, the entire meeting will have a focus mainly case-based. There will be ample time throughout the meeting to discuss and interact with the faculty. Meet the Professor, the instruction courses will be very interesting. During the Meet the Professor, you can interact with the faculty one-to-one, get your answers to your difficult questions, and we are all going to be very actively involved. More importantly, I must say, the previous two meetings were extremely friendly. We interacted very well with the participants. It was more of a thyroid family rather than thyroid cancer meeting. So I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to Boston. July is the best month in Boston. You will enjoy the scenery. You will enjoy the heartfelt hospitality provided by Dr. Randolph and his lovely wife Lorraine. So I look forward to seeing you all there, and have a safe trip and safe travels. On a different note, there will be several sessions related to proffered papers, the posters, and the video sessions. I would really encourage all of you to submit your best abstracts, the posters, and the video sessions. Believe me, the previous video sessions were extremely exciting. Not only the matter of video presentation, but more importantly, the discussion at the end of each video presentation. So I would urge you to bring your residents, your fellows, your colleagues, nurses, and other personnel involved in thyroid cancer management. Take it from me, it will be a great meeting, and you will have opportunity to present your work, which will be most welcome by the attendees.